guys, it's Tinker, and we have Drake right there with Dad. Oh. So here we are again. Here is Tinker, guys. She feels so comfortable there. She's just sitting there, laying down there. We were exploring our yard again. There's my kitty on a leash. Ouch. A branch poked my feet. It hurts. Where's my baby girl? There's my baby boy. Drake is so funny to walk. He's like a slow motion. There you go. she will she will walk and sit. She likes the yard now because Dad just mowed the yard. I have a beautiful yard now. Look at Drake right there. So cutie. Slow down. Slow motion when he walk. So yes guys, this is our cats. They are trained on a leash. We also want to go out with them, so we don't want to just let them walk outside without the leash on. I don't want them to get an accident, hit by a car. And look at my Tinker here. To all new on this channel, this is Tinker, my pretty little baby girl. She's not little anymore. She's a big girl now. There she is, so pretty. Tinker learns to walk on a leash when she was 4 months old. No, 4 weeks old. Yes. I keep on making a mistake on that track. I don't know, guys. Well, you can just tell how good she's walking and on a leash now. Pretty girl. So beautiful, isn't it? Everybody who loves cats will understand how I feel. I think she's ready to go in. It's so windy today, guys. We're ready, Dad. So there you go, guys. That is my Tinker. And there is my Drake, so pretty boy. And my dad, of course. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. Hang on, Mama. Bye-bye for now. See you on the next vlog.
Hang on a minute, bud.
Go on.
Same routine, bud.
It's Drake.
There you go.